I don't mind. They try to stop and block my focus most of the times. And the main things they say don't make me feel bad, 'cause I can miss a friend that I never had. I got Jesus, I got Jesus. That's enough, oh Lord, that's enough. There's been so many times when I didn't have a dime. I tell nobody but my Lord, my Savior, heed my plea. Came and see about me. He's my all in all. When you push me down, Jesus picks me up. Stand by my side when the going gets rough. Take care of my enemies when them start to get cold. And that's enough, oh Lord. He saved me. That's enough. Raised me. That's enough. Brought me. That's enough. Taught me. That's enough. He is my shepherd. He's my God, and I feel him walking by my side. Save me. That's enough. Keeps me. That's enough. He feeds me. That's enough. When I'm hungry. That's enough. I got Jesus. I got Jesus. And that's enough. Oh Lord, and that's listen enough. He saved me. That's enough. He keeps me. That's enough. And he feeds me. That's enough. When I'm hungry. That's enough. I got Jesus. I got Jesus. And that's enough. Oh Lord, and that's enough.
All right, let us find out from our judges, starting with Anthony.
Yeah. I think you're a little firecracker. It wasn't over the top. You kept control of it. It was entertaining. Good start.
Elaine.
Our resident chameleon, Shaneka. Every day, every time you come, you look different and you embody the character of whatever genre of music we're doing. I believe you entirely that Jesus is enough. I believe that he feeds you and you are awesome and fantastic and just great. Great.
Vegas.
Listen, this is the reason why I go to church. This is one of the reasons, trust me, you just like have that vibe. I feel like I want to party, yeah. I got it. Ooh, yeah. Sound good, mama. Really, really good.
Conroy.
You're making me proud. Thank you.
All right. If that performance was enough to take Shaneka to the next level, text the word VOTE to 444-5501 or call 444-5501. Great job, Lioness.